Here is a microwave oven. The manufacturer of this oven is the world famous LG company. I am connecting it to electricity to show you its problem. When the start button is pressed, its display does not light up. Its cooling fan is not spinning, but the safety fuse, thermal switch and door switch are all okay. This is the problem with this oven. So, according to the symptom, we need to open the controller board. It is the power transformer for this circuit board. AC 220 volts are directly input to its primary coil by a door switch. Look at the diagram. It is the transformer's primary coil and here are the connections of the door switch. When the oven door is closed, the door switch turns on and then the transformer is connected to the 220 volts AC. The secondary of the transformer has two coils, one for the digital circuit and other for the analog circuit or relay driver circuit. For more details, visit ornetpixels.com, link in the video description. From this coil, there is a bridge rectifier circuit for the relay driver circuit. And with this coil, there is another bridge rectifier circuit for the microcontroller circuit. And there are two filter capacitors for two circuits. So first, we measure the supply voltages of the circuits across two filter capacitors. There are 10.77 volts for the relay driver circuit and unregulated 16.8 volts for microcontroller IC. So now we measure the voltage of the microchip's regulator IC. The input to the regulator IC is 16 volts and output is 2.6 volts, but here it will be 5 volts. So let's remove the IC from the board. Okay. Now let's connect a 7805 regulator IC here and see what happens. Dear friends, subscribe to the channel and press the bell button and select all to get more videos. Like, comment, share please. Thank you so much.